I'm going to walk you through 12 simple steps to sell gated products on Amazon. Perfect for beginners. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open a Seller Central. Step 2. Click on Catalog from the drop-down menu on the top. Step 3. Select Add Products. Step 4. Type in the name of the brand you want to sell. Step 5. Choose New for the condition. Step 6. Click Apply to Sell. Step 7. You'll be directed to a selling application page. Step 8. Click Request Approval. Step 9. Carefully check the requirements. Remember, honesty is key here because if you lie, your account could be in trouble. Step 10. Add the invoice. Step 11. Provide your contact information. Step 12. Agree to the terms and hit submit. And here's a quick tip. Ensure your invoice is from an authorized distributor only. That's it.